Please ensure you're using the necessary personal protective equipment like gloves and a lab coat before starting the test. Before you use the compound microscope, you need to know all of the parts and understand how they work. The base supports the microscope. The head supports the lenses, and the arm connects the two. Always move the microscope by supporting the base with one hand and holding the arm with the other hand. There are two ocular lenses for viewing the specimen which can be adjusted to suit. The magnification of these lenses is 10 times. There are 4 objective lenses, with magnification ranging from 4 times to 100 times. These can be rotated into place with the rotating nosepiece. If dirty, lenses should be only cleaned with lint-free wipes to avoid scratches. The stage is the platform where the slide rests for viewing. The specimen is lit by the substage light, which can be adjusted using this knob. The light is concentrated on the specimen using the condenser. The iris diaphragm lever regulates the amount of light passing through the condenser. Coarse and fine adjustment knobs are used to focus the specimen. Now we are going to view a specimen. Make sure that the microscope is turned on at the power point and power switch, and that you have sufficient light using your light control knob. Turn the rotating nosepiece to the 4 times objective lens. The total magnification of any specimen equals the power of the ocular lens multiplied by the objective lens used. Therefore, total magnification will be 40 times. Always use the 4 times objective lens to initially focus your specimen before moving to the higher magnification. Using the coarse adjustment knob, lower the stage as far as possible. Place the slide on the stage directly under the objective lens. Clipping in place. You may need to adjust the position of the specimen using the slide moving knobs under the stage, left or right, forward or backward. Reduce the working space, that is, the distance between the specimen and objective lens, by raising the stage as far as it will go. Now look through the ocular lens and adjust light if necessary. Using the coarse focus knob, slowly move the stage lower until the specimen comes into view. Use the fine focus knob to focus clearly. Now that you can view the specimen, you may want to make some adjustments. For example, adjusting the iris diaphragm lever may provide better contrast. You may wish to view your specimen at greater magnification to view smaller structures. To do so, always work from lower to higher magnification. Once focused using the 4 times objective lens, ensure your specimen is centered and rotate the nosepiece to the 10 times objective lens. This provides 100 times total magnification for your specimen. Note the reduced working distance. You should now only need to adjust focus using the fine focus knob. You may need to increase light on the specimen as the lens opening decreases with magnification, reducing light on the specimen. To increase magnification further, center your specimen and rotate the nosepiece to the 40 times objective lens. Again, adjust focus with the fine adjustment knob. As magnification increases, the depth of focus decreases, so you may need to adjust the fine focus knob to see structures at different depths in your specimen. Do not increase magnification beyond 400 times without using immersion oil, as you may damage the microscope. We will cover this in another video. If at any time you lose focus on your specimen, you should return to the 4 times objective lens and refocus. From there, increase to the 10 times objective lens and focus. and then, if necessary, the 40 times objective lens. Choice of magnification depends on the size of your specimen and what you are looking for. Higher magnification is not always better. Once you have completed your task, you must clean and tidy your workstation. To remove your specimen, turn the nosepiece to the 4 times objective lens. Lower the stage as far as it will go and remove the slide. If advised, discard the specimen in a biological sharps container. Otherwise, place all pre-made slides back in the slides container. Turn off the microscope power switch and power source. If necessary, gently clean the lenses with a lint-free wipe. And tidy your working area.